Hey, I'm Alex, and this is an Australian-themed dry daiquiri. Would I make it again? Watch to the end to find out. What is an Australian-themed dry daiquiri? It's a dry daiquiri where I use an Australian rum and I've swapped out the Campari for an Australian version. The rest of it's the same with the lime, the passion fruit syrup, and the simple syrup. The rum I've chosen is this Tamborine Mountain Pineapple Rum. I have a review of this. Put it up the top here somewhere. You can go check that, have a look. And for the bitter element, I've picked this. It's Davo's Plum by Autonomy. I don't have a review of this, so I'll tell you a little bit about it here. Autonomy was founded in 2019 by Ash and Fern. They focus on aperitifs and amari. Where possible, their drinks feature Australian ingredients. This one has Davidson plum and Tasmanian pepperberry. There's also some orange and rosella in this too. Autonomy Distillery also like to use not quite end-of-life products. So for example, the citrus, the orange, it comes from a fruit juice factory. After they've juiced it, they get the rinds and the skin, and they use that to distill products like this. As for Davo Plum, I'll read you the little bit that they've got on the side here. Tart Davidson Plum and Rosella are balanced by sweet Aussie oranges and a hint of Tasmanian pepperberry. It comes out at 15% ABV here, and I quite like this one. I've used it for jungle birds and the like, and it works quite nice. So that's a little bit about the rum that we've got, the bitter that we've got. Let's get all of it together and build the cocktail. So we'll start with half an ounce of simple syrup. And then half an ounce of lime juice. A quarter ounce of this Davo Plum. And then 1.5 ounces of this Pineapple Rum from Tamborine Mountain. And finally, a dash of this homemade passion fruit syrup. I'm just going to pour a little bit in this jigger and then try and dash just a tiny bit out. There you go, 1 dash. Next, add a whole lot of ice, shake it up, double strain it into a cup, and then give it a taste. Okay, I've added some ice. Now we're just going to shake. Move these things out the way so I don't smash everything. There we go, the outside's all frosty. It's probably good. And then double strain that into a cup. And then let's give it a taste. I've never had one of these, so let's see what it's like. It's reminding me a bit of the jungle bird. Maybe it's the pineapple rum and the fruitiness from the passion fruit syrup. The bitters helps too. It's good. I would make that again. So if you like this, leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Catch ya!